Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's recipe. My name is Chef Joy and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make the perfect Nigerian yam and sweet potato porridge. This is a medley of yams and sweet potato in a very delicious tomato and spicy pepper sauce that comes together as a warm, comforting bowl of deliciousness. If you've never tried this dish before, or you have always wanted to try this dish, but you don't quite get it right, this is the only video that you would ever need to cook the perfect pot and serve yourself a delicious bowl of yam and sweet potato porridge, or pottage, as most people like to call it. Now, I'm not going to be taking too much of your time. We'll be stepping into the recipe, but first I'm going to show you all of the ingredients and everything that you need for this recipe. So if this sounds interesting to you, watching.
For this recipe, you're going to need yams and sweet potatoes, and then you want to do equal parts. Cut them into cube size so they cook faster. You will need lots of crayfish. I'm using smoked mackerel, 1 bulb of large onion, palm oil, and some tatashe, which are like red bell peppers, some chili peppers, and scotch bonnet. I'm using just 4. You do not want to use too much if you do not tolerate a lot of heat. Blend that roughly using a food processor, and then you want to set that aside. Now add your palm oil into your cooking pot. Ensure you're using a large cooking pot, and then you want to go in with our roughly blended pepper mix. You can actually add tomato to your mix, but I'm not adding tomato to mine today. Go in with crayfish and the smoked mackerel, and you want to cover and allow this to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes. So this is to ensure that the crayfish and the smoked fish infuse their flavors and taste into the pepper sauce before you go ahead to season with any seasoning powder or bouillon powder of your choice and some salt. Now once you season, you want to stir and then taste it. Ensure that it tastes right and adjust any seasonings that needs adjusting. This recipe guarantees you absolutely delicious and flavorful yam and sweet potato porridge. And yes, you can use just yams or you can use just sweet potato. But when you combine both, trust me, you will never just use one again. Once your sauce has fried and looks like a stew, you want to go in and add the sweet potatoes and the yams. You will notice that I cut them the same size because I want them to cook evenly. Once you stir that into the sauce, you want to add enough water to cook the yams and sweet potato through. Now at this point, your sauce is not going to taste as sweet and as tasty as it was when you seasoned it initially. So you want to taste and adjust your seasoning. I adjusted by using just 1 extra cube of seasoning. I stirred that in. You want to stir to ensure that you get that final taste. Once it tastes right, cover and just allow this to cook for at least 15 to 16 minutes when your yams and sweet potatoes are cooked through. Once your yams and sweet potatoes are cooked, you want to gently mash. Now, some people like to see chunks of yam and sweet potatoes in their porridge. Some don't even want to see it at all. So if you are that batch of people, you want to use maybe a potato masher to just mash your porridge. And if you are the type that still likes to have some chunks, just continue using your spatula or your cooking spoon to just break them up like this, because your yams are already soft, your sweet potatoes are soft, and this will just thicken the sauce and the porridge and be absolutely delicious. If you're making this for children, you want to ensure that you mash this completely, because those little ones don't want to see chunks of anything in their food. If you have enjoyed this video up until now, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, do well to share it, and don't forget to drop me a comment. Now here is one tip that elevates my yam and sweet potato porridge. After I have mashed, I go in with some palm oil again. This just locks in all of the taste and flavor and gives me that vibrant color that I need, and the oil is just floating on top. Please, if you do not like your oil floating on top, you want to skip this part, but trust me, doing this just elevates the flavor. I cover and allow my porridge to just cook for 2 minutes, and this deliciousness is ready. Now this is a foundational recipe on making yam and sweet potato porridge. You can decide to add as much protein, beef, goat's meat, and whatever that you like into this dish, but this is just the foundation to help you make the perfect dish. I went in with some curry leaf. A little goes a long way, and just that alone, the flavor, the taste, the aroma, everything is so elevated. Now you can dish yourself a hot bowl of yam and sweet potato porridge and just enjoy this with friends and family. Do well to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.